Type prompt. Coffee shop chalkboard menu with handwritten text. Today's special, caramel macchiato. This is what Nano Banana Pro can do, turning a simple text prompt into a logical, accurate AI image in seconds. Now let me show you what happens with a traditional AI image generator. Distorted text, messy composition. See the difference? One understands what you want, the other is just guessing. Something just changed on Higgsfield, the platform that introduced Nano Banana Pro, the first AI image tool that doesn't just create, it thinks. Let's explore the magic. Head to Higgsfield.ai, link in the description. Once you're logged in, this is your creative command center. Seedream, WAN, Flux, GPT Image, Nano Banana, all the cutting-edge models in one place. But we're here for the crown jewel, Nano Banana Pro. This is Google's latest breakthrough, powered by Gemini 3.0 Pro. It doesn't just generate pixels, it reasons first, then renders. Feature 1, perfect text rendering. You have two options. Write a text prompt from scratch. Upload a reference image and build your prompt around it. Here's an example prompt. Luxury skincare product bottle. Select your settings. Aspect ratio, 3:4 for social media. Quality, 1K for quick drafts, 2K for standard work, and Nano Banana Pro offers 4K for production-ready assets. Turn on the unlimited option. For those who subscribe through November 24th, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 year. Hit generate. The model interprets your prompt, plans the scene logically, and renders it in under 10 seconds. It's outstanding. This is perfect for product packaging and photo shoots. At the bottom of the image, there are several options. Animate the photo, make the character talk, edit it in Canvas, delete it, download it, favorite it, add it to a folder, or publish it. Right below that, you can write a new prompt or edit the existing one. Here I type, add an orange slice on the right. And boom! Nano Banana Pro follows instructions so precisely that even minor tweaks produce predictable, controlled results. Now let's animate the photo. Click on Video, give a simple prompt, select a video generation model, and click Generate. And here's the result. This becomes a perfect product ad, ready with sound and deployment. And it's not just English. Here's another prompt. Premium coffee packaging design, text in multiple languages, English, Japanese, Arabic, and French. Click Generate. This is top-notch. The model handles multiple languages and complex scripts with accuracy. Imagine creating a product label for a global campaign. In the past, you generate it, export it, open Photoshop, manually add the text, align everything. Now, you just describe it, and it works. That's the power of reasoning-guided synthesis. Feature 2, no more off-model faces. Watch this. Johnny Depp, Leonardo, Emma, Dwayne, Jackie Chan, Anne, Rowan, Jenna, and Taylor Swift taking a group photo. For aspect ratio, I'm going with 16:9. Click Generate. After a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro nails celebrity faces. They all look like the original person. Where traditional AI models struggle with recognizable faces, Nano Banana Pro gets it right. Look at the comparison. Anne, Rowan, Jenna, and Taylor Swift. Faces don't match. Now I want to edit. Type a prompt. Remove Jenna Ortega and add Dakota Johnson. Click Generate. And boom! Nano Banana Pro gives a top-notch result. It adds Dakota perfectly. Feature 3, visual reasoning and logic. Type this. 3 ceramic cups on a wooden table. 2 books on the left, 1 plant on the right. Click Generate. The result shows exactly what was requested. Older models would give you random quantities. Here, traditional AI might miss a book. Nano Banana Pro counts. It positions. It respects spatial logic. One more example. Barista pouring steamed milk into espresso. The result is here. Perfect fluid dynamics. Natural flow. I want to animate it. Click on Video, give a simple prompt, and here's the video. It gives a realistic vibe, but it goes even further. Type prompt. Motocross rider on dirt bike mid-jump, dramatic action shot. Click Generate. Look at that. The dirt particles spray naturally from the tire. The rider's body position respects gravity. Let's create a video of it. Give a simple prompt here. And boom! The bike's angle follows real-world physics. This is called physics-aware reasoning. When your images communicate correctly the first time, you save hours fixing mistakes. Feature 4. Character consistency. You generate a character for your story. Then you try a different angle and it's a completely different person. Nano Banana Pro fixes this with superior identity control. I'll give this prompt. Comic book character reference sheet. Superhero with 6 different views. Click Generate. And look at that. Same character, 6 different angles, perfectly consistent. Nano Banana Pro keeps your identities intact. Feature 5. Data and UI visualization. Type prompt. Runner on desert highway at sunset. Fitness tracking overlay showing. Click Generate. And look at that. Perfect text rendering, accurate data labels, clean UI elements that align logically with the scene. Let's animate it. Click on video and give a prompt. And boom! Perfect visualization is ready. This is where Nano Banana Pro truly shines for designers and marketers. It generates accurate infographics in seconds. Here's the price plan for Higgsfield, and trust me, it offers the lowest price in the market. Who benefits from this? Marketing teams. Create ad mockups with perfect headlines. Nano Banana Pro can take 9 images as input and set your brand model perfectly. No Photoshop needed. Social media users. Post daily with clarity. You can even swap faces without touching an editing tool. Product designers. Visualize packaging concepts that look production ready. It even works with micro details. Even if you have a food item, Nano Banana Pro will separate all the ingredients. You can zoom without losing resolution. Prompt. Make 100 times zoom. The result is intense. Content creators. Build consistent characters for storytelling across multiple scenes. Educators. Generate accurate diagrams and infographics where clarity matters. Nano Banana Pro isn't just an upgrade to existing tools. It's a paradigm shift. Whether you're a designer, a marketer, a storyteller, or an entrepreneur visualizing your brand, Nano Banana Pro gives you the reliability, accuracy, and control you've been waiting for. Head to Higgsfield AI, select Nano Banana Pro, and start creating images that don't just look good, they make sense. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!